You are not just getting older, you are getting either better or worse at the cellular level, and the difference between those two outcomes is not luck, not genetics, not some mystery you have no access to. It is sitting in your kitchen right now. Every single morning you wake up, your body makes a choice without asking your permission. It either repairs the damage from yesterday, clears out the broken parts, rebuilds what was lost, and moves forward stronger, or it falls slightly further behind, accumulates a little more damage, ages a little faster, and loses a little more of the ground you can never get back. What determines which direction it goes? In ways that are more powerful than most people are ready to accept, it is the food you eat. And today, everything you thought you knew about aging is about to be challenged. Most people carry a quiet, unspoken belief that aging is something that simply descends on you, that one day you are vital and sharp and strong, and then gradually, without much you can do about it, the machinery starts to fail, the joints ache, the memory slips, the energy drains away, and you chalk it all up to time, to inevitability, to just the way things go. But what the science of longevity has uncovered in the last decade is so fundamentally disruptive to that belief that it should be front-page news every single morning. Your body is not a machine that breaks down on a fixed schedule. It is a living, responsive, self-repairing biological system that is constantly listening to its environment. And the most powerful environmental signal you send it, more powerful than almost anything else, is food. Not occasionally, not dramatically, quietly, consistently, 3 times a day, every day of your life. There are 6 specific foods that researchers, clinicians, and longevity scientists keep returning to again and again. Not because of trends, not because of marketing, because the data keeps pointing at them. Each one works through a different biological mechanism. Each one addresses a different dimension of how and why we age. And by the time you reach the 6th one, you are going to understand something about your own biology that most people spend their entire lives never knowing. Stay with this until the end, because the last food on this list is the one nobody expects, and it is arguably the most powerful of all. Let's start with green tea, and I want you to resist the urge to think you already know this one, because what green tea does inside your body goes layers deeper than antioxidants and calm focus. The key compound is EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, and its most significant contribution to longevity is something called autophagy. Autophagy is your body's internal cellular cleaning system. Think of it this way. Inside your cells right now there is damaged protein, broken organelles, dysfunctional debris that has accumulated over time. If that debris is not cleared out, it interferes with normal cell function, it triggers inflammation, and it accelerates biological aging. Autophagy is the process by which your body identifies that debris, dismantles it, and recycles its components to build new healthy structures. It is essentially your body renovating itself from the inside out. EGCG in green tea is one of the most potent natural activators of autophagy that researchers have identified. 2 to 3 cups daily, consumed consistently over time, has been associated in large population studies with longer life expectancy, lower cardiovascular risk, and meaningfully reduced rates of cognitive decline. This is not a supplement. It is a cup of tea, and it is activating one of the most sophisticated repair systems in your biology. Now, I need to tell you something, and I need you to hold on to it until we get to food number 6, because it connects everything together in a way that will genuinely shift how you understand your own body. There is a food coming later on this list that scientists once considered so nutritionally ordinary that it was almost never studied on its own. It was background food, ingredient food, the kind of thing that ends up in a dish but never gets credit. And then a series of studies began uncovering what it was doing at the cellular level, and the findings were so unexpected, so significant, that they changed the conversation around aging biology entirely. We will get there. But you need to understand the foundation first. The second food is wild salmon, and this is about telomeres. And if you are not familiar with telomeres, this is the concept that will change how you think about aging permanently. At the end of every strand of DNA in your body sit protective caps called telomeres. Every time your cells divide, those caps get a little shorter. When they shorten past a critical point, the cell stops dividing correctly, becomes dysfunctional, and begins releasing inflammatory signals that damage surrounding tissue. The rate at which your telomeres shorten is one of the most reliable biological indicators of how fast you are aging at the cellular level. And omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, found in wild salmon, have been shown across multiple studies to measurably slow that shortening process. People with higher circulating omega-3 levels have longer telomeres than people with lower levels, even after accounting for other lifestyle factors. When you eat wild salmon regularly, you are not just feeding your body protein and healthy fat. You are intervening in the biological mechanism of cellular aging itself. That is what is on the plate. The third food is dark leafy greens, specifically spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard, and the story here runs through a molecule called nitric oxide. As you age, your body's natural ability to produce nitric oxide declines steadily. Nitric oxide is what tells your blood vessels to relax and open, allowing blood to flow efficiently to your brain, your heart, your muscles, and every other organ that depends on circulation to function. When nitric oxide drops, blood flow becomes restricted, cognitive sharpness diminishes, physical capacity shrinks, and cardiovascular strain increases. Dark leafy greens are among the richest dietary sources of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide through a pathway that begins, remarkably, in your mouth. Bacteria on your tongue initiate the conversion process. This is why there is growing scientific concern that antibacterial mouthwashes used twice daily may be disrupting this pathway entirely. The greens you eat are essentially replenishing a resource your aging body is producing less and less of on its own. Every serving is a direct investment in blood flow, brain function, and cardiovascular health simultaneously. Food number 4 is pomegranate. And this is where the science moves into territory that sounds almost unbelievable until you read the studies. Pomegranates contain a compound called punicalagin, and when your gut bacteria metabolize punicalagin, they produce something called urolithin A. Urolithin A does something very specific and very remarkable. It triggers mitophagy, which is the targeted cleanup of damaged mitochondria inside your cells. Your mitochondria are your cellular power generators. As they age and accumulate damage, they become inefficient, producing less energy and more inflammatory byproducts. This is a primary biological driver of the fatigue, brain fog, muscle weakness, and general decline people associate with getting older. Urolithin A clears out those damaged mitochondria and signals the production of new ones. Human clinical trials have shown measurable improvements in muscle endurance and strength from urolithin A supplementation. But pomegranate offers a natural dietary pathway to the same outcome. The catch is that gut microbiome composition affects the efficiency of this conversion, which means a fiber-rich, diverse diet makes pomegranate dramatically more effective. Another reason why the whole picture of what you eat matters, not just individual foods in isolation. The fifth food is turmeric, paired always and without exception with black pepper, and the mechanism is about something researchers are now calling inflammaging. That word is exactly what it sounds like. It is the state of chronic, low-grade systemic inflammation that operates silently beneath the surface and is now understood to be one of the primary engines driving accelerated aging across every major organ system in the body. You cannot feel inflammaging. It does not announce itself, but it is quietly degrading your joints, your brain, your cardiovascular system, and your metabolic health simultaneously. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, suppresses the master inflammatory signaling pathway known as NF-κB, and simultaneously boosts your body's own antioxidant enzyme production. The problem is that curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That number is not an exaggeration. It is a documented pharmacological interaction. Without black pepper, turmeric is largely decorative in your food. With it, it becomes genuinely therapeutic. This is not a small distinction. And now, the sixth food, the one that was overlooked. The one that changed the science. Blueberries. Specifically, what blueberries do to your brain through a mechanism involving something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. For a long time, blueberries were appreciated as a pleasant antioxidant-rich fruit and largely left there, and then researchers began looking at what their flavonoid compounds were doing inside the aging brain. BDNF is essentially fertilizer for your neurons. It promotes the growth of new brain cells, strengthens neural connections, and actively protects against the kind of neurodegeneration that leads to memory loss, cognitive decline, and Alzheimer's disease. BDNF levels fall naturally as you age, and blueberries, consumed consistently, have been shown in human trials to meaningfully increase BDNF levels and improve memory performance and cognitive processing speed in older adults within just 12 weeks. 12 weeks of blueberries producing measurable improvements in brain function. The organ you are most afraid of losing, the sharpness, the clarity, the memory of who you are and what your life has meant, It is listening to what you feed it. It always has been. 6 foods: green tea, wild salmon, dark leafy greens, pomegranate, turmeric with black pepper, and blueberries. Each one targeting a different layer of how aging works inside you. Together they represent something genuinely powerful. A way of eating that works with your biology instead of against it, that supports the repair systems you were born with, and that gives your body the raw materials it needs to heal, rebuild, and stay vital longer than most people believe is possible. So here's my question for you, and I want a real answer in the comments because this matters. Which of these 6 foods have you been eating regularly without realizing it was doing something this significant? And which one are you going to add to your life this week? Not next month. This week, write it below, because the moment you say it out loud, even in a comment, is the moment it starts to become real.